Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we are going to have a look at another vacuum robot. And this one is HONITURE, the brand, and it is a little bit on the cheaper side for sure. As you can see, we got a typical dust compartment where we can store everything, or where everything is getting stored. And yeah, I have definitely to have to say that though, it does not have a laser on top, so it is not as accurate as some other vacuums these days, but that's why it's much cheaper too. Um, but it's not as efficient in going in certain areas and stuff. It has some problems sometimes finding out what's happening. But yeah, considering the fact that you can get this for I think it's under a couple $100, it's fine. I mean, he's doing good. He's not bad. As you can see, it's finding easy its way back, so it is not completely lost, but it definitely is not as powerful as others. As you can see, it has a little remote and not an app to control, but some people like that, so why not? And I thought we should give it a try, so here we are. And as you hit go or cleaning, it starts doing its little thing. It's driving around, and as you can see, it's actually moving forward. It's not completely lost doing whatever it's doing, but you will see in a second what I mean when I'm like, okay, it doesn't have a laser on top. It is a little bit, yeah, more clumsy, let's put it that way. It's like it's bumping into the wall sometimes because it's not seeing at them quite well, as you can see here. But it's still, he's getting everything cleaned. He remembers where he's been and what he's done, and then he finds his way back. So it's not as bad as it sounds in the beginning, I guess, but still something to keep in mind here. Um, and yeah, that's kind of what Horniture is all about. And I think we should send him home for now. And then I will see you in the next video after all. So take care, you guys. My name is Badger, and I hope you have a good one. Take care, and until the next time, bye bye.